Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sturgis, and I wanted to make a video that I think will help you when you start working with SPSS when you're working on your fire project next year. So this video, the material that I cover in it, this material will not be used for the quizzes or for the exam. So when you start working with SPSS, one thing that you'll notice is that you have two views on this main screen. You've got your data view that looks a lot like Excel. So you've got your variables going across, and you've got your cases going down. And then you've got your variable view, and you just switch down here by clicking at the bottom. And your variable view gives you more information on a particular variable. So it shows you how a variable is coded. So for example, if we look at this age variable and we click here in the values box, we can see that they've got it coded so that 89 means that the person was 89 or older. If we click in this income variable, we can see that there's a whole list of numbers that correspond to different income levels. It also shows you what values represent missing data. So here you can see that 98, 99, and 26 all represent missing data for the income variable. All right, a best practice when you're working with SPSS is to always include an ID variable. One reason that that's important is that it helps you make sure that there are no duplicate cases in your analysis. And a duplicate case is what it sounds like. It means that you're counting that person twice in the analysis, which of course is something that you want to avoid. Another reason that it's best practice to include an ID value in your data file is that sometimes you want to go back and you want to add variables to your data file. I'll give you an example here. Let's say we've got these two data files here. In this one, we've got age and income and height and weight. And in this file over here, we've got their smoking status and their gender. And we want to combine the two files. So the manual way that would take you a long time would be to look at person number one, come over here, add the smoking variable and put a 1 there, add gender, put a 1 there, and do that for all the cases. A much faster and more accurate way is to utilize the built-in feature in SPSS. And to do that, you go up here to the Data tab, and you go to Merge Files. In this case, we want to add variables. And we want to use this file here. We click on the Variables tab here, and we want to make sure that our key variable is ID. The key variable is what it's going to match on. So everything is good there. Just click OK. And you can see that it builds us a new file. And now we've got smoking status and gender in our file. So we want to save that. And if we want to make sure that there's no duplicates, again, a built-in feature here is we go to Data, Identify Duplicate Cases. We're going to match by ID, see if there's duplicates by ID. So we hit OK there. And now the third screen for SPSS pops up because now we've done an analysis. And so this is our output screen, and you can see that in this case it says that they're all primary cases. There's no duplicates. So there's 1,361 primary cases, no duplicates. So that means that we did the merge successfully. In any case, I hope that you found this information to be valuable. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care now.